We are going to the second tutorial. The first one, we see how we can design a profile page. We just designed this page in which there was a sidebar, top bar, and a content area. So we're going to the second tutorial. Our focus is to use WordPress to develop a management system. It can be accounting management system. It can be HR management system, construction management system, project management system. So we are going to use WordPress. In this tutorial, we concentrate on building modules and also, if possible, to create a membership. For example, the management system which you are going to build is not maybe one website, one organization will be using it. No, we are going to build one website in which within one website, different organizations will come and create their account, and then after creating their account, they can manage their organization data there. So if it's a subscription, it means they will pay you for subscription so that they can use that management system. So you need to control their permission and the capability. So this is not permission capability of WordPress, but you need to create your own permission and capability. When I say permission and capability, I mean, for example, within an organization, you can have admin, you can have moderator, you can have members. So members can be able to do something, and the moderator can be able to do something, and the administrator can be able to do something of higher level. So we are going to design all of them. Okay, as I said yesterday, you must have WordPress installation. We are going to use Elementor theme, which is Hello theme. We're going to use Elementor plugin, Elementor Pro plugin, JetEngine plugin, plus also code snippet plugin, so that we can add customer code snippet to add more functionalities. Now, first of all, we are going to create a post type. As I said, that it can be company, organization. They will come and they will create the organization page, and then within the organization page, they can manage their, if it's accounting or HR. So it's one system for many organizations. How can we divide them? We're going to divide them by using post type. So we are going to JetEngine post type. We're going to create a post type. I've already created here. It's called the organization. Slug that one, but also come here down in support at advanced setting. In support, just use title, editor, thumbnail, and the author, because who will be charged by using this organization a subscription will be the author. So we need to ensure that the author is available here and easy to manage him. Done. Now I've already created an organization, demo organization, which is this one. Called it Victoria Inc. If I will open this one, so this is the title, this is a description, but also I don't know. Okay, I think it will load. Okay, featured image. This is a featured image. So featured image can be at the end it will be like a logo of a company. Now we are going to create a listing for the front end. Now we're going to listing. We're going to create organization listing, so that now I did already created it, but you'll be able to see it. You know, we've got a container. So we've got a container, and then within a container we add another container, and then we add a picture. The picture should stay here. So we have a picture and a container, and within a container we have a title. This is small container. We have a title and the description, and I'm going to use JetEngine shortcode generator. First of all, this one is a image. I'm going to choose here. I want the featured image, and then the featured image, I want it to be just a small one. I'm going to use a pixel. I want the width to be like maybe 60. And then I go to this one. I'll just put a title here. Then I can say that I want here a title, post title. This is Victoriable design. In the text, in this text field, I'm going to use shortcode generator, and then I'll go to take post excerpt, and then automatically generate excerpt. Customer length, let's use maybe 10. I think 10 words. I'll take this one. I'm going here. I'll say this is a description. And this in the description, I'll add shortcode as shortcode. And that is too many. Why it's come too many like this one? And let's remove this one. Okay, forget that. Remove this one. Just use post content, and then post content I will use trim. And a trim I will take maybe, let's use 20. I will take this one. Where is it? Okay. Shortcode I'll add this one. 10 is too small. Let's add the 40. Okay. At 50. Okay. Now what I'll do, forget about this one. I'm considering this container. I will put them direction like that one, and then here the gap maybe I'll put it 2, but also the text I'll just put maybe this one, and the description I'll just use red, and then I'll use italic, mean italic like that one, but also you can notice this one. I'm going to remove this padding to be 0, and I'll put the content at the center. And another thing, at this container, I'm going to use a spacing of 5, and it will be 0, but also padding 0. But also I'm going to put it full width like that one. There's some kind of maybe color and everything. Maybe the background color I can put, where is it? Background color I can put it is white, so you can customize as you want yourself. But also for this container, I will just add a small bit, maybe 2. Yeah, like that one. Now another thing, just put a link. If somebody click this picture, I want a link to direct him to the post type, post URL. But also even you click this image, this title, it will direct him to post URL. I think that is done. We are done. Okay, I will delete this design. I'll just put that one. We're going to create another. We're going to create another query, so that I say that in admin, in user dashboard, we are going to show organization, but we want to show organization owned by this user. So we're going to create a query that is, let me delete this one. We're going to create a query current user query to show organization he owns. Now we're going to create it. We say current user organization list. Now post type is post. Query type is post query. Post type is organization, and then post author. Where is post author? Here. Post author should be the current user ID. I will create this organization. This query. Now I will go to template at the dashboard. I'll go to user dashboard. This one we already created it like this yesterday. In the previous tutorial, just visit my playlist and bear in mind with my English. Now here is the organization. Here there's the organization what? We're going to link this with the organization listing. Organization listing. To this one, the post type. We're going to choose this one. Query type, custom query type, current user organization list. Now we'll go to this one. But also we wanted to change this one to put here performance metrics. How many organizations this user owns? We're going to use it in this title. Remember, this is the icon box. In this title, we're going to take it, this one called query results count. We're going to count the results from this query. Which one? Organization list. How many organizations be found? One organization. So this person owns one organization. Now we're going to save. We're going to load this page. Why? Okay, it was 0 before, not yet saved there. Why? Why I cannot see it? Why is it? Right. All right. You can see it here. So we've already created a performance matrix, how many organizations, and the list of organizations here. If I click here, I will arrive into a blank page of organization. Now, the second part, we are going to build the organization page in which user, both public user and the member user, can be able to see what is within the organization. Within this organization page, all activities will be done here by that organization, because I say that we're going to divide our system based on the organization. So different organizations will come and manage their activities within our single site. Now we are going to I'm going to close some of them. Let me go to theme builder. I'm going to theme builder. I'm going to create another single post, which is called, okay, this one I'm going to delete, move to trash. I'm going to create another one. I'll call it organization management system. Published. I'm going to use canvas, and then preview setting. I'm going to take the organization. Let me save first. display condition to all, show to all organization. Save. Now I want you to be very attentive to listen and understand it. And within your organization, you can have some of pages are for public and some of pages for members only. Now I will divide this. This one container will be for, maybe you can say it is front welcome, which is means maybe say for public, and I will have another container. This one I will call it members. Okay, let me call it modules. Okay, call it members. So this one container will contain members, and this one will contain front welcome. But I will design this front welcome page very simple, which basically I'm going to use this one. This is what from this which you already designed here, because it shares the same data. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to put it here. Maybe I'll call it front. Yeah, I'll call it front. So I'm going to delete this one. So this one front, but maybe I can, because it is going to increase its size of image instead of 50. Let's use 75 because it will be like a top bar. But another thing, sorry, another thing, this one number of excerpt, I'm going to put it is 500. Number of footer character, I mean. All right, not bad. Or let me reduce it to be 400. Okay, something like this one. But for this front, I don't want to be full width. I want it to be boxed. Okay. For the nice appearance, I'll put it full, but I'll create another container, and then with this for nice appearance, I put it here. Okay, let me take it, copy, and put it here. Okay, let me call it. Oh, welcome. Call it welcome. Nice. All right. So it means when somebody open this page of organization, you will see this one. Maybe let me open. Let me go to organization. Open. So you see like this bar, but you can customize it as you want. You can customize it as you want. All right, so we're going to welcome and the members. Now I'm going to this one, members. I'm going to this members. Now at this member, here is the place where we can put the modules. Let me open this text field so that what I'm writing here you can see. Maybe just this. So we are going to call all modules by using query variable. For example, our URL for our website is this one. Then we have organization. You can see, for example, let's go straight to this organization. The URL will go like this one. this part is a site URL, and then this part okay, I want to put it here. I don't know if I want to see it good, nice. What is the problem? Okay, just see here at the left. So now this part is for site URL, and then this part it specifies the post type, it's organization, and then this one is organization, it's organization slug. But what we are going to do after this organization and organization slug, we are going to introduce a variable, URL variable. Now what we are going to do, we're going to say we're going to call all modules. We say that maybe we call it management system modules is equal to so we're going to call all modules based on like this one. So we're going to call management system, and then we're going to specify which kind of module. For example, it will be maybe task page. Let me, so that you can see it well, let me add the size of this font. Okay, let me use maybe what? Let me use a code so that you can see what I'm writing here maybe. But it will not show. Maybe code highlight. Oh, maybe something like this. It can show something. Yeah, I'm going to use this one for just for showcasing. So we've got it. Yeah. So we've got this party, which is site URL, and then this one is specify organization type and post type, and then this post slug, and then we're going to say that we are going to call management system module, which is task page. We're going to call management system module, which is maybe I can say it maybe view task page, or maybe it is invite members. So we can have different kind of modules. So it can be like this one. Maybe we can say task view. We can have task edit. We can have what we can have. Maybe we can say that invite project members. So we can have different kind of modules. But another thing, before we go into these modules, so that we can have some kind of a consistency, these modules should be found within a dashboard, should be seen within a dashboard. Now I'm going to introduce another thing, another query here, URL variable. I will call it management system page is equal to, I will say it is maybe we start with the let's go straight to project page, project dashboard. I will call it project board. So even though we've got a welcome page here, even though we go to welcome page and the member page, sometime within members page, some of pages should be to the public. So we have going to have member management system page, project body, and also management system is equal to, I'll call it project, let's use this front, and let's say this project body. Now what is this? This first module, I mean this first URL will call which kind of a page to show for a project. It's a project body, maybe I can say dashboard. I don't know which because I can say it dashboard. Yeah, maybe it's project dash or project front. Project dash, it means it's for members within member who have been invited within a project. But project front, it will be for members. I mean, it will be for public. So it is a project page, but it's for public. Now, these other modules for members like task page, view page, task edit, or whatever, will be situated within, will be linked within with the project dashboard. Now it's a trick, but let's go and see it. One of the URL that will have like, okay. Remove it. I will have this organization page, and then I will have this is called the management system page, which is equal to project dash. And management system module is equal to, maybe I can say task page. I can say task list. Task lists. Something like this one. Okay, I don't know if I can. Okay, with the lap like this. How can I see it well? I want to wrap this one, but I'm failing. Okay. So this is a part of site URL, then it specify post type, and then it's going to specify post slug, and then let's concentrate here. Within this organization, we're going to call management system page, which is called the project dashboard. And then within project dashboard, we want to show a module called task list. So within this project dashboard, you can show as many modules as you want. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to design a project dashboard, and also I'm going to design. I'm going to design first a project dashboard, and then I will also design these kind of modules. So this management system page, where should for example, this management system page, where should it reside? Where should we put it? And the management system module, where should we put it? Management system module, we're going to put within a project dash. And the management system page, we're going to put within, where is this? We're going to put within member page. So do like this. I will take, I have a template which I made. I have a widget which I made myself. It's called my template. I put a code snippet. I put a code to download. So you use a code snippet so that you can add it within Elementor widgets. It can appear here. It's called my template. What does this my template widget do? I can call a template based on your name. Remember, if you come here, I'm going to call this one MS page project dash. This one is a template, is the Elementor template, and also task list is the Elementor template. But these are their names, so I'm going to call this based on their names. But the default Elementor template, if you go here, default Elementor template, which is this one, does not allow you to call by its name dynamically. You need to choose it, and you're going to choose only one. For example, say maybe user dashboard. So it only show maybe only user dashboard like this one. But I cannot call it dynamically, and by using not only dynamically but dynamically by its name. So instead of using Elementor template, I'm going to use my own template, which is called my template. I'm going to put it. Oh, did I remove it? Story. All right. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to use my template. Where is it? Is this one? I'll add it here. So you can see it, template slug. If you go to Elementor templates, this name which you are saving, for example, you say it's my dashboard. If you quick edit it, you see there's a title and a slug. So we're going to call a specific template based on what? On its slug. Now this is a trick. This is a tricky. Remember, this one will be for MS page, which is MS page. For easiness to design, I'm going to take this code layout. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to close some of. Okay. Yeah, I will delete it. We'll be seeing it in front of it. Okay. So as I told you, within a member, I'm going to call a template, which are management system page. Now, which kind of management system page we're going to call? This is what we're going to design. The first one, it says that a project dashboard. Another one is project front, but I will concentrate with project dashboard. So we need to go and design a project dashboard. Now, how do we call it? I will say template slug, and then we need to put a slug here, but we want to be dynamical. So because we want to be dynamical, I'll go here and choose in Elementor. There's something called the request a parameter. I will get, there's a just choose get. Okay. You will see here we've got management. After this URL, of organization, we've got a question mark. We specify here which kind of parameter I want to get. A parameter called MS page. So we're going to call it based on MS page. Now, because we don't have yet this MS page, we're going to design an MS page for project dashboard. MS page for project dashboard. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to design a template. We're not going to design a listing. We are going to design a template, Elementor template. Okay. Let me start here. Okay. We're going to design a contain the template, which we're going to call it project dash. Done. So we're going to design a project dashboard. Now, the process for designing project dashboard is the same as the process of designing. This one was the profile dashboard. You design it according to your design and UI and whatever, but I'm going to use like this one. But what we change here, the menu side will change, but also these performance metrics will change. Okay. To save time, I have my own template which I designed, which is called, for me I called it project soda. So you can see it here. Let's remove this dynamic visibility first. So it's like this. So here at the top, this is the top bar. At the left, this is a menu. I'll be going very fast, and specifically I'll be copying here elements, but explaining what is it in the its basic setting. Now, this is the project dashboard. What I will do, I will go in first to add a container. Now I need to have two containers like this one. So if you will open this one, you will see actually we got three containers: the big container and these small containers. Now, this small container will be for menu. I will use maybe 15%. 15%, and this one maybe will be, I'll put it, just put 80. But what I do, I've not put 85 because there's a space between, and the space between I'm going to use 15. Okay. And the space between it is 15. What is 15? Oh, yeah, let me set it. Now, in this container, which I call it menu, and this one I will call it content. Now, the issue about menu. So, menu, because the issue of menu, because our site will be, I will need a menu for mobile and a menu for desktop. So I'm going to put here a normal Elementor template. So before we're going to put a menu here, we are going to design another template for menu, dashboard, project dashboard menu. So we call it project side menu. we're going to product side menu. Now in this product side menu, put a container here, then I will have image, and then I will have I will choose icon list. I put here down, and it is done. Now at this image, I will choose dynamic visibility, and then I will use featured image of that company because it's a logo. I'll do something like that one, but I'll put a default one, and the default one I will use this one. Pop card, and then I'll go to this icon list. Maybe I will have one of the links will be for dashboard, but then I will use maybe this one is dashboard, and then I will have maybe members, in which I will take user, maybe this one, and then maybe I will have task, and the task I will have check. Where is the check mark? I will use maybe this one, or which one? Let's use, all right, that one. Now I'm going to design. I'm going to customize it. So for easiness of customization, actually this will be full width, and I will put it like okay, like 35, 36, and then there will be no padding, and then background of this image would be white. Where is it? Background of this image will be white. Where is white? This one. Background of this container will be blue. Now, sometimes you can have when you are creating an organization, you can have maybe meta box. You can have meta box for different kind of data. For me, I always link between CCT and organization. Let me show you. I'm going to, if we go to what, to customer content type, you can create, but let's create here. Let's create. I'm going to say it's called another CCT, which is called organization. So we've got post type organization. We're going to create also a CCT called organization. Now it is a single page. Okay, before creating a single page, let's create a field. For example, this is the organization name. Maybe we can have organization description, which basically will be text area. We can have organization color, which is not text area, to be color picker. And then another thing, we need organization, what you can say, organization image logo. This one will be a media, and the field format media ID, and I will have also organization cover or banner. They actually be the same media ID. Okay, just have a few like this one. Now we are going to here at the top You can choose here maybe icon building, but also has a single page. Okay, let's save first. It is a single page. Which post type to link it with? Organization, title, organization name, content field, description. Done. Now we're going to delete this one. Organization. Okay. Let's take this one, but I'm going to open, then I'll delete this one so that I can copy its data. I'm going to delete. I'm going to bin create totally empty the bin. Now I'm going to CCT code organization. I'm going to create an organization. And now the organization name Victoria, Madam Victoria. We've got a company, and this one is a company description. Then I'm going to choose color. I'm going to choose like a blue one. Choose logo. This will be the logo Victoria. Choose banner. I'm going to use this one. Done. I'm going to save. So I've already created the organization called Victoria. If you go here, we will see it. It's called the Victoria Inc. Now, we're going to change something. If you're going to this one, let's load this page. Wait. Another page which you need to reload is it? Actually, this one, because you need to change here, because now image is found in CCT and you will not link DT. Okay, here the image, we choose featured image, but we remove it and we're going to choose customer content image. Which one is the logo? Fallback, we're going to use this one. All right, that's done. And what about color? Okay, for this because it is a sidebar, I'm not going to put it. Should we put a color? Another thing which you can adjust it. You can have dark color and the light color. Okay, just forget about that. Let's go straight. Here I'll just use one color, dark blue, like that one. And for this text, I'm going to use text color which is white, like that one. Now I don't want to put setting on this and everything. What I do, I just copy this setting of image. I'm going to paste here, and then I'm going to choose the setting of this. I'm going to paste them here. Icon, where is it? All right. Now if you see, I will just put lines, I will just put padding, so they are constant. Another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put another icon list called logout, which is this one. So for example, this one is for dashboard. Maybe I can say this dashboard, I can have another. You can control visibility based on what? Based on you you can create another icon here. Maybe you can call them, try to imagine maybe document, or maybe finance, which is a $sign, and maybe another thing is coming here. Maybe it's a subscription. Okay, subscription. You can call it ID. Maybe what? Money. Don't know what. Okay. Time. Okay. Subscription. All right. Maybe you can say that this one will be seen by all members, but these ones will only be seen by people who have capability of maybe for example, we've got maybe project admin, project moderators. Maybe finance and subscription will be able to see by project admin and the project moderators, but members cannot see this kind of this kind of buttons. So you can control their show and hide basically by using dynamic visibility. Okay, yes. All right. Another thing that you've done is you're going to motion effect. You're going to choose sticky to. Normally it's none. You're going to choose stick to top and stay in column. And I've already put the actually we don't, because this is, remember, it's a template you're going to use. Just put 100% and then save it. All right. Okay, basically this one we don't need to, because it's a template. We're going to use in multiple way. Just put none. All right. Now we are going to remember we were in project dashboard. We're going to put here a template. Sorry. We're going to use a template, a meta template. I'm going to take it and put it here, and then we'll say that project side menu. That one. Another thing. What's the size of this one? Let me put 20. Okay. Oh, and this one also, it should be 0 here. 0 like that one. Padding. But also this template now, the one which we're going to say motion effect, is equal to stick at the top. Right. Don't know why it's responding faster. Stick at the top, and then we are going to this one. Here we're going to put a top bar. We have two top bar, mobile bar and the desktop bar. So what we're going to do before going here, make sure that you say this menu will be only visible in dynamic visibility. Will be only when it is in mobile. Hide it if it's a mobile. Hide it if this is a mobile. Okay. Then we are going to content. Within content, we're going to put a top bar, and then this top bar, I'm going to copy here things, expand and copying here so that you can save time. This is a mobile bar. I will copy this one. I will also put it here. Let's move this dynamic visibility, responsiveness. Now, what does this have? It have icon. It have icon. It have text editor. Text editor, you just put here the name of the current user, the name of the current user, and the username of the current user. But also, we are going to put, actually, I just use the button and dynamic usability, but for me, I'm going to use again. I'll just remove this one, remove this. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this one, and then I will put icon. Put maybe envelope, and then center, and then I'm going to put another maybe bell icon. Okay, don't know why it does not appear in the center. Another thing, there was a maybe I'm going to put a book, maybe book open, maybe book open for this, maybe for knowledge base. So it will be like this one. I will have maybe here I assume this one is when somebody wants to go to see maybe there is a message you've been sent. These are notifications. This is for knowledge base because in a dashboard you want to read something. If you click here, maybe it can be a pop-up or redirection. And then this one is a just image of the current user. So this one is a personal picture. You're going to choose a personal picture. Let me choose here. This one, the image, user image, which image is a personal picture. I'm going to set a fallback image, which is this one picture. Like that one. And then you can customize width 35, 35, 35, center color, padding 50. I put a border color like a blue one. Now that is done. But I want this mobile bar to appear only or to be hidden on desktop. That's why I hide it. So now I'm using responsiveness. If it's a desktop, I'm going to hide this one. I'm going also to take, this was mobile bar, I'm going also to take a desktop bar. This desktop bar is just a container. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste. I'm going to explain its design the same. Or you can change the design according to what you want. For example, this one is just a text, as you can see here. As you can see it here, it's just a text. Hello, this is just a text hello, and then you put here the name of the person, the current user. So I'm using shortcode, but also I'm going to put a username here below. So this is a text field. This is a text widget. Text widget. Another thing, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to take this one from the mobile bar. These icons. Yeah, I put it there like that one. So it's a normal thing, like how we did there. But for this desktop container, desktop container, I'm going to hide, if it's a mobile, I'm going to hide this desktop container if this is a mobile. Are we together? I'm not going to show this mobile bar if it's a mobile, because in a tablet it will just disappear, something like that. But I want even in tablet to appear. That's why in mobile bar I've just used only responsive design, a responsive feature of hiding on your desktop. Now, okay, I'm going to delete this container. We don't need it. So this is a top bar that we've designed. I'm going to maintain the space of 15, that the gap of 15 that we've been using, but also the container, I want it to be 0 padding, that is top container, but also I want it to be fully, so it will be like this one, but maybe it's full width 15, 100. This menu is 20. Actually, I don't need 20, I need 15. And then in content 80, but I'm going to grow the size so that it can fit it well. I don't know if we got dynamic exhibit here. We don't have dynamic exhibit, so maybe we can preview how this template is seen. Where's preview? So this is how the template is seen. All right. I think everything is okay. Now, okay, even this one, this is 0. I think even this one, we need to put it 0. Yeah, spacing for this, it should be 0 because we're going to use this one. Yeah, that is right. Okay, now because we're going to use below here, I want to specify, it's like a bridge camp. I'm going to specify which kind of page we are here. So I'm going to take a shortcode. I'm going to take maybe a text field. I will put here, no, not here, this below this one, and then okay, we're going to use it later. Maybe I'll say that is project. I put here project name, and then I'll specify maybe it's called task page, whatever. I'm going to use red color, like that one. Let's use this one, like that one, and the text size mean bold, yeah, like that one. So then let's see here, how is it, does it look with this one? So this is our project dashboard. So what we're going to do now, we are going to insert here a dynamic template. We're going to insert here a dynamic template. Remember, I told you that, where is that? Okay. Remember, I told you that we're going to call first management system page, which is maybe a project dashboard or whatever, and then within a project dashboard we're going to call a module. So within a project dashboard we are going to put a module. Now we're going to do here, we're going to, not this one, this one, we're going to choose this one, my template. I'm going to put it here down. Now, how do I call this one? I'm going to remember here is remember at this template we're going to show different kind of modules. Now, for example, okay, how to call it? We are going here. We're going to call it by using some of. Let me delete some of. I know this one. We are going to call by using this URL ms module. We're going to get parameter, request a parameter, and we're going to get which key ms module. That is done, and I'm going to put that template should be full width. Maybe to test it, I will let's go choose any kind of template. I already have here some kind of template. Maybe I can say I have one of the template called okay. I have this one, project board. So, for example, if let me load this one. This one. Okay. I will add ms module is equal to, you can see that I can be able to see this. You can see it here. I've already called this template. If you come open this MP module, you will see it's look like this one. It's look like this one. So this one, I've been able to call it within this space. I think now we are together and we see something. So within this template, maybe I can say it. I can call it modules. You can call it ms module. Within ms module, I can call any template I want based on URL specification here. ms module, I can call this one. For example, this was npm project board. Maybe I can call maybe, I don't know, I don't have any. I don't know. Okay, we can create another. Let's create it. We can say project task list. Now, how do I do? Because I always want to be able to, I'm designing myself, but maybe later days, my other fair will come to design. So it's good to name these modules by following a certain structure. Now, how I'm going to name them, for example, I will call it, because it's a project, I'm going to call maybe project, project module, and then its name maybe task list. So I will know that if it starts with P, maybe it's a project, then module. Okay, let's do this one. Maybe I will call it, the first letter will be project, and then the second letter it will specify it's a public or private, public or for members. I'll call it for members. And then maybe this is a module. I'll use the letter D. So project, the first one is a project. Then it comes with its member, or if it's a member, it's M. If it's a public, it's P. Then D is a module. Which module is task list? I'll create like that one. just for the easiness of learning, maybe what I will do, don't know what I can say. Okay, I'll just put here. I'll just put a picture, or maybe I can show. Yeah, I can put a progress bar. Progress bar. That one, and just to show that how can call it. Maybe an image, and which image I can put there. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm going to publish it. So now, what is slug? It's called slug is this one. If I'm going here, I'm going to change MS module. I'm going to call this one. Then this is done. I can see it here. So I can call this module within my dashboard by using this kind of URL variable, MS module. And this is how I've set. I've chosen request a parameter, and then I've set get a parameter name MS module. Then I can specify which module is it. And the name of the slug is the name of the module. Now we've already designed our dashboard. Now this dashboard is called, its name is called the project dashboard. Now what you are going to do, remember we were at this page. We were designing a post page for organization, and then again we come here, request a parameter MS page. Now we were designing a dashboard, and the dashboard which we have designed is this one. Let's remove these ones. I'm going to remove also these ones. Okay, just don't remove this forward, remove it, just remove it, just remove it. Okay, remove them. Now what I'm going to do, I just forget something. In this dashboard, there is this in mobile bar, there is this icon. When this icon is clicked, we need also to make it a pop-up. We are required also to make a pop-up. This pop-up, I will call it project side menu. Pop-up. What I will do, I'll just go to set up, set one pop-up that I made here, this one. But here I'm going to change it. It will be for project. You just set it up so that it can appear well. Project side menu, this one. When this one will be clicked, then it will toggle call this side project side menu when clicked, and it will be clicked only in mobile. Now that is done. Okay. Okay. So we have what we've created a page for members, and then in this page for members, within we've put a template which we're going to call a template module by using request parameter, but we've not yet created a project. So what we're going to do, we're going to create another CT called a project. I think I already have here. Content type is called the, I think I have project here. All right, I've got a project which have yeah, it's called site project plan. It's the same project. Organization, name, type, client, city, country, description, picture, number, budget, start, end, color, space, status. So I've already created a city code, the project. You can create as you want yourself. So what I'll do, this is a city. What I'll do, I will create a listing. Basically, I already have for a project, which is, don't know where is it, project, I think this one. Now I think everyone know how to design it. So if the title there, this is the top with the title. I'm just using shortcode. This is the title of the project. This is the image of the project, and then this one, I want to show you a location. Now I'm going to use basically I already created a project here. It means I've posted here already, created it. Tap, even a picture and everything. Now I'm going to use a shortcode. I'm going to open a project. Where's the project? Project plan. Now we're going to take, for example, I want to take a project city. And the project city, I'm going to take this name. I'm going to put here. The shortcode is for project city. I'm going to remove this one and put this one here. I'm going to get a city, that's the Dar es Salaam, and here is a project budget. I'm going to take now a project budget. A project budget, which is this one. I'm going to customize it, the output callback. I'm going to put a number. Maybe I'm going to put it 0. Format number. I'm going to customize. I assume it is in dollars, or if you want to specify currency, you can also specify. Maybe basically okay, let's not specify first. Let's put here first. Shortcode. Now that's done, but let's go even the issue of currency. Because it's organization, we are going to specify, we're going to add another field in the content type. In a content type, our organization is this one, and then let's first add a glossary for currency. I don't have here currency. Maybe say currency. Okay, first currency, maybe it will be USD. I'm going to put like this one for easy. And the second one, maybe I put TZS. Another one, maybe I put Euro. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to create, let's load this one. I'm going to create after name. I'm going to create this organization. Can specify organization currency, or maybe if you're going to specify in a project level, I don't know. For me, I'm going to specify in organization, and then this one will be a select field. Where is it? Select field. Oh, can put it. Alright, select field, and which no, I'm going to use glossary, and this glossary will be currency. That is done. Now I'll go to my organization to adjust it accordingly. I'm going to choose the currency, maybe alright, USD or maybe Euro. I'll specify there. Then I'll go back to JetEngine shortcode. I'm going to take a shortcode code organization. Where is it? Organization here. Is it? I want to take currency. Then where is it? This way. I'm going to put here. Okay, so here for now it will not be seen. So it's so that you can see, because default one fallback your quality USD. We'll put space between. We'll put space. Where is it? So before this one, at the beginning, I'm going to put currency. Okay, that's it. Now here is a begin, is a start, and this is the ending. I already put it. Now this one is a percentage. Now this one is a percentage, and then this one is a project type. The project type, project plan, project type. Remove this one. I'm going to put here project type. Website. This is the project status. I'm going. I don't know, this one is for what. Let's choose another field. Project number. Okay, let's choose the project number. Let's use it here. Okay, some of it I will just delete them. They're not relevant. I'm just putting there. And another one. Project number, project budget, description, city. Okay, maybe project space. Let me take it. Maybe project space, which basically was, actually this was city, this was country. But let me put here, like this one. Okay, let me use country. Project country. Where is it? Project country. Okay, Tanzania, something like that. Also, I've added the buttons for editing and the deleting a project. So we're going to put it that way. Okay. Thing that I need to specify in this project. Where is it? I don't know, the organization ID of this one is how much. Victoria Web Design, there is organization. You can read here below, it's 21698. 21698. I'm going here. organization ID is, okay, maybe I can choose here. I can set up here so that we'll be able to choose organization. Organization, no, this is in a project. I'm going to change the project. Organization, make sure that let's change it to be a post, and which post type, it's the organization. Then it's done. Then you can edit this one. Victoria web design. It's done. Okay. This progress bar, we do it later. Now what we are going to do is what we're going to do here, we're going to, okay, let's go to this organization page. This is organization page. This one is a welcome section. This one is a member page. Now, at this member page, we're going to put another, and we'll put another container. Right. I'm going to put another container, and then this container, it will take it, we'll put a listing here. Listing complete, and in this grid we're going to put project. Now this is a public still. I'm going to save. But what we're going to do, we want to call these projects which are only located within this organization. So we're going to call project, we're going to create another query to fetch only project belonging to this organization. So we're going to create current organization project list. We're going to call what customer content type. What we're going to call is project site project plan, and then I want a published one, and then what you want organization project organization to be equal to current ID, which is the current ID of the post, the numeric one. I'm going to create that one. So I'm going to refresh this page. Where is it? So that you can see this query here. Now we are going to customer query. We're going to choose project list. Now don't see it anything. Okay, it's in there. If you're going to this Victoria now, if you reload it, we'll be able to see a project list. This is at the front end. Now this is up here. Now what we want, when somebody clicks this icon, this image, we want this person to be redirected into a dashboard, and the link is like this one. He will open a project dashboard, but also a module called task. Okay, which will, maybe you can say that project, the module will be project, what you can say it, we can call it project, okay, project board, project dashboard. Okay, project dashboard, very same project overview. The module will be project overview. Now let's take this one. We want to create first. A current organization URL. So we're going to take a current organization URL, and it should be dynamic. So we're going to shortcode. We're going to project. Project, where is it? Project. Now in this project, we want to take site organization, because site organization is the post ID. Now we want it to be very dynamic. So what we do, we take another callback which is called get post URL, get post URL, get post page URL. That is it. So we already get a post page URL. So now we take it. We're going to write it here. Let me write it down. This is shortcode. This first shortcode will give us this URL of the organization in which this project is found. Now we're going to add, because we want to view the detail of this organization, of this project, we're going to add the MS page. Now what we do here, we're going to add these modules by using project dashboard. Open project dashboard. We put it like this way. I'll write it down so that you can see it. But here, because it will be the first one, I'll put a question mark. MS page project dashboard. And then I will add another one, module. I'm going to put it down a module, but this module will start with that kind of symbol. But we're going to, this module should be project overview. Okay, you can say it, you can call it project overview. But also we need to specify which kind of project are we going to see. Then project ID is equal to how much. Now project ID will be the unique index ID of the project. So what we're going again to we're going again to this shortcode. We're going to say that we want to take this item ID. We're going to delete this one, callback, but we're going to add this one, text before. We're going to call it, we're going to put the symbol of and we'll say project ID is equal to that ID that will be found. So this is a dynamic ID that we use. Now project ID, so we're going to remove this one about this because it's a shortcode. This one. Now, so we've got, let's insert them so that we can see them. We've got the first, this first shortcode is for URL of the organization. Then we specify a project, we specify a management system page that we want to call is a project dashboard, and then a module is a project overview. Now the project overview, it means it shows the overview of the project, of which kind of project, of this last shortcode, it will specify a project ID. Now we have not created a project overview. We have not created a project overview yet. But remember, the project value here will be specified by using URL. Okay, let's take this one and put it on. We want to use this shortcode and this fragment so that we can specify in this. When somebody click a link of this image, it can be redirected to that kind of URL that will help him to show the shortcode, to show the overview of the project. Now let's join this one to be like a one URL. So I will join this one, remove this space to be like this one, which basically that one. And then I will join it by using end project overview, but we've not created the project overview page. Then, but also I will specify okay, I want this specification. We're going to specify project ID. Now this shortcode, this will shortcode and the fragments, it will create a dynamic URL with which have URL variable that I can use to see a project overview of certain project ID. Now I'll copy this one. I'm going to this one. I'm going to put it here. Link of this. When I click this image, I put a shortcode. This shortcode is this one. That is clever. I'm going to save it. Now let's reload this page of project. Now I'm going, if you notice here below, I don't know if you're able to see it. Okay, let me open it first here. You know what? If you choose, you will see this URL. I don't know if I zoom, if you'll be able to see it. Let's see. Okay, this URL specifies that this is a organization URL. Then I've got to specify management system page, which is project dashboard. So I've already called a project dashboard here, which is this one. Again, I'm going to specify a module is the project overview, but I don't have this module yet. I developed the project overview. Now I want, when I open a project dashboard, I don't want this thing to be seen. So what I'm going here, this tutorial is too long, but I want you to be to understand it. I'm going to hide this section of welcome when there is a MS page, because when there is a MS page, I don't want to see any kind of anything for welcome user, for public usage. So I'm going to say, I'm going to this one. Yeah, this one. I want to hide this welcome. I'm going to dynamic visibility. I'm going to say that hide when condition contains, which contains, exist. Condition is exist. What I'm going to specify a macros. Which macros? Query variable. Which variable is this one? I want to hide when MS page exists. MS page exists. So I want to hide this container when MS page exists in URL variable. Now I save it. Now I'm going to reload this. I want this section to be hidden. I'll load like that one. Now it's not seen, totally moved. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to this member page, I want it to be not boxed, I want it to be full, but also make it 0 padding so that this can fit the whole page. So it's like this one. Wow. Now we've already get our dashboard. That is it. Fantastic. Sorry, this one is the issue for yourself. How to make this one appear good. Maybe you can specify, you can have a logo, you can use, maybe somebody can specify a logo. But I do like things to appear well. So what I will do here, I'll go to this, where is this project, this organization. I'm going to specify, I'm going to use this, I don't want this one. Or maybe, okay, let me edit it, just let me edit it first. I want things to appear well. So download. Victoria. Okay, I've already redesigned it faster. I just add it here. Choose. All right, to appear full here. Okay, not too bad. All right, now we want to output different kind of modules here. I've already told you that we're going to call modules based on this request parameter ms module, which will show which kind of module we're going to call. Now we want to output this project overview, so we are going to template Elementor template to create a template for project overview. So we are not going this template, this module will be entirely templates. So even if you want to output maybe graph or tables or listing, you are going to put it within a template, Elementor template. So what I'll do, I'll go to template. I've got this project dashboard, project body template. I will just open it, and also I'm going to create this one, which is called here. We've named it here. It's called the project overview. So this template will be called the project overview. So I will like here. I write it here. Its name project overview. Remember that the modules are called based on their slug. So make sure that the slug name is what is written there in your URL, and also which is found in the template. Now I've opened one because I want to use some of the design layout. For example, I'm going to take this one and this one, and then I'm going to output here. So what I will do, I will take this one, highlight, I will paste it here. Okay, let me remove this first. Then let me create another one because I want this to stay within. I'll paste it here. So I've got this one. I'll make it full width. I'll take this one, this module. I'll copy it style, and then I will paste it in this container, the outer container. Then I will take also this module for slide, and then I will paste it here. Now we are going to redesign this one. Okay, this is the start and end of the project. So what we do, we're going to use JetEngine shortcode. JetEngine shortcode. But remember, we're going to output a project overview of a certain project ID. Now, our project ID has been written here by using this request parameter project ID. So each project overview is specific to a certain project. For example, here we call the project ID number 1. Now, in shortcode, we are going to source will be query variable, and I will write project overview. Now, another thing which is very important, project ID is equal to 1, but I want you to output different kind of information within a project ID number 1. Now, what I will do, let's open this one. I want to, for example, I want to output for example, I want to output start and end date, but the field which is start date and end date are these ones, SPP start and SPP end. Now, what I'm going to do, I've created a code snippet in which I will put down the link. I'll put down, then you can download it, and you can visit that URL, gist URL, and then you can copy the code and put in your snippet code plugin. The snippet code is this one: get different CCT value by ID. It means what? I've got item ID from the database. Now I want to find its relative, it's relevant, maybe it's post name or project name or project start date, project end date, something like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shortcode. I'm going to feed output. I will apply callback, which is called get CCT value by ID. So you will take this snippet, and then you will put in your code snippet plugin, and then you will get this callback. Now the table name is project plan. So I've got a project ID. Now I want to get project start date. I will write it here. But remember, this project start date will come as a times I think it will be a Unix times format, but I want to convert this time into date, month, and the year. For the design purpose, I will write here fallback value start. Now I will take this one, then I will put delete this one, put here the start date here. I will remove this one. I will let this, then I put dash sign, then I'm going to take another one is end date. End date is found there. Put it here. Then also I'll take this one and write here it is end. I'm writing fallback value because when I'm designing, I want to see something so that I can know how to style the field. Now I'll go something like this. Let me save first. Remember, we've already put the slug name is equal to project overview. Now I'm going to visit this page. We will go to project overview. I want to see if I will get the module here. Now we've already got the module here. So the module was, we were designing this one, and I put here start and end date, and this one October 1, October 31, and maybe I can change the format. Instead of writing this, I will write J. I don't know which one. Which format I used here. I used the date DMY dog small y. So this one was end date. I will write that one. Then also I'll take start right there. Start. Now things is very easy. You can see here. October 1st October to 31 October 2024. Let's see here there. Okay, SPP start 1st October, SPP end 31 October. Let's put maybe change the date. Let's put maybe that one. I would save. It will be changed here. Now, what I'll do, I'm going to put here instead of okay, this is today date. I will just leave it as it is. I'm going to put here the budget. Another thing, in our current, if you remember the previous tutorial, I think maybe the previous tutorial, we already set organizational currency. Now, what I'm going to do, organizational currency, yes, we call it euro. What I'm going to do, I want to put here a budget. So I'll go to the field for budget is this one, and I'll put it here, budget, but format here is a number format 0, and then I will go to, I'll take this one here. I will write budget. I will come here. I will write here budget. I'm going to put here currents. Now the currents which I'm going to use currents from organization. Now there are two things here. We can just take because remember this whole dashboard is within organization Victoria Web Inc. So what I'm going to do, it is very possible, let's use this one which is far but it's learnable. I'm going to change it because we've got a project overview, this one. Now you remember that within this project overview we've got organization ID. No, this one will not function. This one will not function. Okay, so let's go here and use the source post, and then the post type will use the organization, because remember organization CCT is within organization post type. So I just use organization currents as it is. I will get here, I will go to, I'll delete these ones. I'll choose this callback URL, callback to apply, get label, and the label will be currents. Now I'm going to put like this, and also I'm going to put a fallback. Where is fallback? Fallback here I will write currents. I will write USD, but also here I will leave a space, one space at the right. Come here, not after but before. I will write something like this. Okay, let's see first how will it appear. Number one, to know the budget, project budget for this field, for this project. Now project budget, it's writing euro, which is very correct, like how we set here. It is 150,000. Now to make it appear well, I'll add another field before. I'll let project budget, that one. Yeah, that's fine. Even I can take this shortcode out instead of putting it here. I'll just put here, I'll just join it there, this here, to still give like that. Now I think this one is fine. Here we go. Project budget is that one. Now I want to add another thing. Do you see this one? We'll put here a project name. Remember, this is a project dashboard, but I will put this a project name. But also I can let also here, this page is about what. Now project name I will get from project ID, and the page name I will get it from MS module. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a project name. I'm going to use I'm going to use the source as the query variable project ID, and let the project name, and then I will use get CCT value by ID. Where is it? This one. I'm going to take a project and then a project name. This one. This is a project name. I'm going to write it here, put it here, project name. Fallback is the project name. don't have any. Maybe here, I don't know, should it light? All right, I'll put this symbol. I will take this one, but remember this dashboard is found where? I don't know where that page is. Okay, I think you already closed it, but not bad. Project dashboard, I think this one. Project dashboard. Let's edit it. It's so nice. It's so wonderful when you've been able to do something that was like far away from you. But for now, we got that capability. So Cocodoc plugins are very nice. Now I will change this. I will like this one. I will like this shortcode. But also I'm going to generate another shortcode. But this shortcode will be based on the source will be query variable. This query variable, but the query variable will be ms module. ms module, and then I'll write here module name. Module name. That's fallback value. Yep, we don't need this one. Filter callback. I just take it as it is. Now here I will like this one. I will just put it here. Then I will leave one space. Then I will write. How did you write it? All right. I think that will go well. Let's see if we get this one changed. So it's a project overview this is a project name. I think it's wonderful. Or maybe if you want to change it yourself, you can do it yourself. So it's a project overview page, something like that. Now what we are going to actually, these are just buttons. We would like these buttons to appear like a project code, a project color. If here you will notice that we set a project color which is like yellow, so it's a SPP color. What I'm going to do, I'm going again to shortcode. Okay, let me apply this one. I put here color, and then project ID. I'm going to put it here. Maybe default color fallback. We can use default color fallback. We can use maybe blue. Which color it's called is this one. Now we're going to take this one, or only this. We're going to take this one, and then we come to this button. Maybe add a task button. Then its color, use customer, and then we go here, dynamic tag. We use shortcode. Where's shortcode? Oh, it doesn't have shortcode. That is fantastic. So color doesn't have shortcode, and because it is this content is found by using your local variable. So here I don't see any way to call it, but let's go to use organization color. We've also got organization color. So let's use organization color. So we want to make sure that it is customizable. Let's use customer content type field is equal to, we come to organization color, and the fallback color we're going to put, it should be blue. Fallback color would be blue. Let's see it. If this is blue, let's see. Okay, it is changed. For example, if I change the organization color, I will put maybe black, and then also this one will change black. Yeah, so this is how we can customize it and put a nice appearance of our system. So we are going to use it organization color. Okay, where we use, let's change this to be something like a blue. Okay, maybe this is add task, add what and what. I don't like this. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this one. All right, maybe this one, add a task, invite member. Maybe I would add a task, invite member. What I mean, I'll use this mean. Right. Okay. That's not even value. So this is that one, button, space, heading. All right, this is just a link. So for now, let's forget about that. Let's go to this section, which is a slider. So you get highlight, and then this is a slider, and then in this slider, I have a slide and image. Now, this image is just does not change or what. Okay, I'll just use this one. Okay, where is it? Yeah, I'll use this one. Or I can choose any kind of, for example, okay, let's use that one because it's found. Okay, a project name, I just put it here. Take a project name and write here. Okay, the structure of this one, there's a slide which is a widget slide. You got project name and the contacts. Now for me, now I just use this one only. Other things, other slide, you just put it yourself. Project name, let's go and take a project name. SP name, right here, project name. Take the short code. I'll come. I'll come here. Where is it? This one. title. I'll just out here, I put this short code, and then description. That is, there's a project description. I'll take this one, I will put here, I'll let project description. I take also this one, but also project description I want to trim. Maybe I can use 75 characters. I don't know. I use how much? It was near that 300. All right. Now we've got this slide container. I'm going to put its color. I think it has color. Now the color I want to use is organization color. The fallback will be this one, red, but I'm going to use customer content type field, which is organization color, and the fallback will be this one. Let's test and see. Wow. So we've been able to change it dynamically. Okay. I forget also to put image. The image was customer content type image, which was organizational banner. Fallback, I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, you can see they are setting image resolution fully, but you can maybe choose medium. Center, fixed, no repeat, cover. Yeah, something like that. In the background, I put the opacity color 0.6. Okay, let's test it. I think it's beautiful. Wow, it's wonderful. If you can change, if I go to project to organization, I can change this one. Maybe let me choose another one. Let me choose another one here. Okay, download. I'll set here. Go to this one. All right. And also I'm going to change color. Let's use let's load the page. Now it has been changed there. So if you don't like that, you can change it. This one. The color, let's use something like related. Sometimes you can specify maybe the color should be darkish color so that user cannot be. Yeah, let's go like that way. Now I think we've already seen how we can output a module. So we can add other metrics and the performance metrics here down. So that is up to you. But maybe for the matter of understanding and what, let's take this one and add it here. We don't design it, but we only just put here. Now, how this performance matrix it is, we've got icon. We also know we've got also let me do something like that. Okay, so in this performance metrics, we've got icon, number, text, and text. Now, what are these? We've got icon, text, which is the specification. This is a number to specify, and this is a heading. I put heading so that I can get a link. So it's normal. In this one, if you remember, our customization is the same. I'm just doing the same customization. Background color is white, so that to get that kind of shadow effect, like this one top, it's gentle shadow. Border solid but 0, radius 44, box shadow it's 0, horizontal vertical 1, blue 5, spread 0.05, position outline. If you go to color of the shadow, it's like RGBA 000 0.05. You can see it here. Now, what I'll do, I'll just duplicate these ones. But I must sure let's put this glow so that if they are removed, they can adjust themselves. The third one, the fourth one. So we've got 4. Yeah, like this one. I think this one is enough. Okay, color no. This means this one was okay. For the matter of appearance, we just remove these metrics. We will do them in the next tutorial. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. I think you know that. Okay, now we've already finished to make this overview, and remember that the website was our organization. The user will arrive first from his user account, which is he will arrive first from the user will arrive first from the front page. He will go to user account. After going to user account, which you already designed it, the profile from the previous tutorial, you will see his performance metrics and the organization in which he owns. Then he can click there. And then after that, he will open this organization. Then you can see the project within this organization. Then you can click that project. Then we arrive at this one at this project overview. Now we want to add one thing. Remember, from when user clicked this one, he arrived in this project overview page. Now, this is a project dashboard. We want to put this link into this dashboard URL. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this. We're going to design another URL for this dashboard, so that when user click this URL at the menu, at the left menu, he can arrive at this dashboard page. If you remember, we used the CCT ID, which is a project ID, to arrive here. But when the user is opened this project is in this dashboard, basically there will be a project ID at the URL at the URL variable. Now, what we're going to take for this for this menu link, we are not going to use that from CCT, but we're going to use parameters from the URL. Now, let's go back again to, let's open, we were at template. We've got project dashboard. I think it's this one. Project side menu. With this one. This is the side menu. Now we want to change this one. We want to put the link. Okay, but the first link will be based on. Let me open it. I don't know where should I open this one so that you can see. Let me put it here. Code highlight. Now let's take this URL and see. This URL has got organization page URL, but also it has got MS page parameter, but also it has got MS module parameter, but also it has got project ID parameter. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to show it, and then we want to get, we're going to post it. We want to get the current post URL. How? By using post ID of the current page default object. But you're going to apply get post page URL. So we've got, because we are within this organization, so the site, the code will know that we are within a organization page. Then it will take its ID and then it will convert into URL. So I will take this URL, and so the first page, the page, the organization page URL will be this one, produced by this shortcode, and then we come to MS page project dashboard. Now this one will be constant because will be project dashboard, and the MS module will be project overview, and the project ID. Project ID must come from the URL parameter. Now what we're going to do, we're going to project source, we choose the query variable, project ID. Now remove this fallback value, and then I'm going to customize. I'm going to say that project ID, I'm going to write it the same like that one. Project ID is equal to, because this project ID will be read from the URL, but also we're going to write it we're going to write it as a parameter that will be produced again. Then I'll write this one. Now this shortcode will produce project ID is equal to 1 or whatever. So we're going to the shortcode. We've got another shortcode here that is for the first shortcode is for organization URL, the organization slug, and then the organization URL. The last code, shortcode, is for project ID is equal to how much. Now I'm going to take this one, MS page and your MS module. I'm just going to put them here. So it will be like this one. I'm going to put them like that way. I'm going to join them. I'm going to join them. I'm going to join them like that way. Okay. Because this project module will be changing over time, so I want things to go faster. What I'm going to write I'm going to remove this one here, and I'm going to put them at the end so that you can be able to change, because this will be at the first tab instead of that simple just get a question mark. Then this question mark I'm going to write that symbol. So this will be a link that can be dynamic menu. So if I'm going to dashboard, and then I'm going to say it right to put a link here as a shortcode, and it will be like this one. And then I'm going to save it. If I load this page, because here if I want to click, this link is not functioning. If I load this page, now if I click this link, let me open here in another page. Wow. So now this link is functioning. So it's outputting the organization page URL, project ID, but also it's specifying another which kind of management system page is project dashboard, and which kind of management system module is project overview. Now we already get how to put a link URL, dynamic URL into our in our side menu for our project dashboard. Now another thing that we're going to use, I think for now it is, for this tutorial it is over. Maybe I can just write what we did. We made a we are able to make a project dashboard, in which project dashboard has got a sidebar, top bar, but also a content. Now the content, let's see here, project dashboard is this one. So it's this one. We've got a menu and a content. Menu and a content. But all of these are found within a project. All of these are found within organization page, which is this one. Organization page. And in this organization page, we have welcome section and the member section. And within the member section, we are able to call by using our custom developed widget called my template, in which my template we are able to call a template based on template slug name. And how we're going to call the template slug name, we're going to use Elementor request a parameter, and then we're going to get, and then we just put that parameter that we want to get from the URL, and then it's over. Now another thing, we hide this welcome page, which is the top one, when dynamic visibility, when MS page parameter is found, then is existing. When MS page parameter exists, then we are going to hide this welcome container section. But also we can do this for members. We can say that we're going to show this one when exists. I'm going to say, I'm going to macros, which macros query variable. We're going to say that show this member section when MS parameter exists from the URL like that one. So if we're going to add another maybe URL, we're going to put maybe here. I think now it's over. If somebody has got a question or suggestion, you can just put it below at comment section.